Hello student, today we are going to solve a problem on intersection of surfaces in between cylinder and cone, cylinder versus cone. Problem number 3. A cone of base 60 mm diameter and axis 70 mm long rests with its base on HP. It is completely penetrated by a horizontal cylinder of 30 mm diameter and axis 100 mm long, such that their axes intersect each other at right angles. The axis of the cylinder is parallel to VP and 20 mm above the base of the cone. Draw the projection of the solid showing the curve of intersection. Okay, yellow color, this is the cone of base 60 mm diameter, height 70 mm long. It is rest with its base on HP. Red color, this is the horizontal cylinder of diameter 30 mm and long 100 mm. Cone is completely penetrated by horizontal cylinder and their axes, this is the axis, their axes intersect each other at right angles. Axis of cylinder is parallel to VP and 20 mm above the base of the cone. This is 20 mm. This is 20 mm. We draw the curve of intersection. This curve, we draw this curve of intersection. This is the curve of intersection. Okay, first we draw the front view and top view of the vertical cone. First draw top view, draw the circle of 60 mm diameter with this center. We draw a circle of 60 mm diameter. This circle dia is 60 millimeter. Draw x-axis. This is the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now draw the XY line. This is XY line. Now from this quadrant and this quadrant, draw the vertical projection line. Draw vertical projection line up to XY line. Draw vertical projection line up to XY line. Next, draw the axis line. Draw axis line. Now we draw parallel line parallel with XY line, distance 70 millimeter, because height of the cone is 70 millimeter. Draw the parallel line. It is intersect the axis line at this point. This is the vertex of the cone. Now joint this point and this vertex. This point and this vertex. Okay. This is the front view and this is the top view of vertical cone rest on HP. Diameter of the cone is 560 millimeter and height of the cone is 70 millimeter. Okay. Now on top view, on the center line, we draw a circle diameter 530 millimeter. We divide this circle into 12 equal division. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. We divide by 30-degree angle and 60-degree angle. This is 60-degree angle in opposite direction. This is 30-degree angle. Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and again this is 1. 1 start from this point. Now from 10 and 4 draw parallel horizontal line. From 10 we draw horizontal line. Now parallel to y-axis draw vertical line 50 millimeter distance. This is 50 millimeter distance from y-axis, and in right side draw vertical line. This is also 50 millimeter distance. The length of the horizontal cylinder is 100 millimeter and diameter 30 millimeter. Okay. Now on front view, 20 millimeter above from the base of the cone, draw a horizontal axis line. Horizontal axis line. On the axis line, draw a circle of 30 millimeter diameter. We divide this circle into 12 equal division by 30 degree angle and 60 degree angle. Mark is start from this point. This is the 1 dash. On the top view, this is start from 1 dash. This is 1 in top view. In front view, we start, this is 1 dash. Okay, this is 1 dash. Just 90 degree rotate. Just 90 degree rotate clockwise direction. In this way, we mark 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and 12 dash. From 1 dash, we draw horizontal projection line. From 7 dash, we draw horizontal projection line. Now, parallel to the axis, we draw vertical line 50 millimeter distance on the left side and on the right side. Length of the horizontal cylinder is 100 millimeter and diameter of the horizontal cylinder is 30 millimeter. Okay. Now, this is the front view of the cone and cylinder. This is the top view of the cone and cylinder. This will be dotted line, means hidden line. This will be hidden line. There is no line. This line will be hidden line. This line will be hidden line, and this portion also hidden line. This portion also hidden line. Now we draw the curve of intersection. We draw this curve of intersection. We draw this curve. We draw this curve of intersection in front view, and also in top view we draw the this curve we draw in top view this curve, and in front view this curve. Okay, now in front view, from this circle, from 1 dash we draw horizontal projection line. From 2 and 12 we draw horizontal projection line. From 3 dash and 11 dash, 3 dash and 11 dash we draw horizontal projection line. From 4 dash and 10 dash we draw horizontal projection line. This is central line. From 5 dash and 9 dash we draw horizontal projection line. From 6 dash and 8 dash we draw horizontal projection line. From 7 dash we draw horizontal projection line. Now this radius, with this radius 1 dash we draw a circle on top view. This is 12 dash and 2 dash. With this radius we draw a circle on top view. This is 3 dash and 11 dash. With this radius we draw a circle on top view. This is 4 dash and 10 dash. With this radius we draw a circle on top view. This is 9 dash and 5 dash. With this radius we draw a circle on top view. This is 8 dash and 6 dash. With this radius we draw a circle in top view. We draw a circle in top view. This is 7 dash. With this radius we draw a circle. We draw a circle on top view. Okay. Now from 1 dash we draw a horizontal line, projection line, 1 dash and 7, 1 and 7 draw horizontal line. From 6 and 2 draw the horizontal line. From 5 and 3 we draw horizontal line. From 4 we draw horizontal line. From 8 and 12 we draw horizontal line. From 9 and 11 we draw horizontal line. From 10 we draw horizontal line. Now From 1 we draw a horizontal line. It is cut the number 1 line. This is number 1 circle. This is number 1 circle. It is cut. This is 7. This is 7. 7. It is cut in this point. This is 12 and 8. Draw line and 12 number line. 12 number line circle. This is this horizontal line from 1 cut the circle, 1 number circle in at that point. From 2 it is cut the 2 number circle. This is 2 number circle at this point. From 3 it is cut 3 number circle. From 4 it is cut 4 number circle. From 5 it is cut 5 number circle. This is 5 number circle. From 7 it is cut 7 number circle. From 6 it is cut 6 number circle. From 8 it is cut 8 number circle. From 9 it is cut 9 number circle. From 10 it is cut 10 number circle. Circle means 10 number circle radius. This radius, this radius. From 11 it is cut 11 number circle. From 12 it is cut 12 number circle. In this way we draw the top view curve. We joint this in upper portion. Lower portion is dotted line, hidden line. Okay. In this way, in left side, from 1 it is cut 1 number line. From 2 it is cut 2 number line, means 2 number circle. From 3 it is cut 3 number circle. From 4 it is cut 4 number circle. 4 number circle, that means radius of 4, this radius. From 5 it is cut 5 number circle. From 6 it is cut 6 number circle. From 7 it is cut 7 number circle. From 8 it is cut 8 number circle. From 9 it is cut 9 number circle. From 10 it is cut 10 number circle. From 11 it is cut 11 number circle. From 12 it is cut 12 number circle. Now we join this point. By joining this point, draw the curve. This portion is firm and lower portion is hidden line. That means dotted line. Lower portion is dotted line. Okay. Now this is the various intersection point. From 1, this is the intersection point, 1 point. From 2, this is 2 point. From 3, it is 3 number point. From 4, it is cut 4 number circle. From 5, it is 5 number cut 5 number circle. From 6, it is cut 6 number circle. Now, from 1, we draw vertical projection line. It is cut the 1 dash line. This is 1 point. From 2, draw vertical line. It is cut the 2 dash point. This is 2 dash. From 3, draw vertical line. This is 3 dash point. Draw horizontal line. It is intersect that point. From 4, draw vertical line. From 4, draw vertical line. It is cut at that point. From 5, draw vertical line. From 5 dash, this is horizontal line. From 6, draw vertical line. From 6 dash, draw horizontal line. From 7, draw vertical line. From 7 dash, horizontal line. This is the front side. Also in this way, back side. From 8, we draw also this point. From 9, we draw same point. From 10, we draw same intersection point. From 11, we draw same intersection point. From 12, we draw same intersection point. Now with this point, we draw this curve. We draw this curve. This is the curve of intersection in front view. This is the curve of intersection in top view. This portion is firm and this portion is dotted line, hidden line. Okay. In same way, we draw the curve of intersection in front view and curve of intersection in top view. This portion is firm. This is dotted line. This portion firm. This is dotted line. This circle, this is dotted line. This is dotted line. This is dotted line. This is dotted line. In front view, this is dotted line and this is also dotted line. Okay. Now this is the front view and top view of the combination of cone and cylinder. This is the curve of intersection in front view. This is the curve of intersection in top view. It is clear, my student? Thank you.